Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to utilize our time to learn English language. There are a lot of people who want to learn English language, but some of the people, they don't have enough time to learn English language. They say that we don't have enough time to fulfill the requirement of English language. Like it requires reading, listening, speaking and writing. So they say that we are unable to fulfill these type of things, so we cannot learn English language. Okay, and the people who are who are able to fulfill all the requirements, they have enough time, but they are not learning. So how they can learn English language, how they can improve their English language? And in this video we are going to discuss about something important, so that both type of people could learn English language. Okay, and the people who have enough time, but they spoil a lot of time on on the screen by scrolling what to watch, what not to watch. So in this video we are going to discuss about actually the real solution. How can they learn, how can they improve? Okay, so let's get started. So if I talk about those people who have enough time, how they can learn and how they can improve their English language. So my friend, first of all, do one thing. We have four things to do. Okay, four things only: reading, writing, speaking and listening. Okay, so whatever you like, first of all do that one. If you like writing, so write. If you like listening, so listen. If you like speaking, so speak. If you like reading, so read. So do one thing, do whatever you like first of all. Okay, and if you don't have a specific channel to read anything, like any story, anything, whatever you want to read, so just choose an specific channel, choose a specific channel and just read those types of stories. And in those stories you will get a lot of, you will learn a lot of vocabularies, you will learn grammar rules, so you can learn a lot of things with the help of those stories. Okay, and if you're not interested in listening stories, so you can watch another video in which people should speak English language, and they should not be very professional, they should be beginner. Like they should speak English language but not so fluently, not fluently. Okay, so that you could understand some of the things. Okay, and if I talk about speaking, so for speaking, if you don't have someone, so you are just like me, and if you have someone, so you are lucky person and you can speak with that person. Okay, and if you don't have anyone, so you should just apply, you should apply one thing, and you should just install any type of application in your phone, and you can just learn. But I don't have any type of idea about that, what kind of application you should install, because I never ever used any type of application. I am myself an application, I speak with myself. Okay, so that is why I'm saying that just if you have someone, then it is okay, you can speak. But if you don't have someone, you will have to install any type of app for speaking. Okay, and if I talk about it is listening and speaking, and if I talk about writing, so my friend, whatever video you will watch, whatever story you will listen, and whatever vocabularies you will learn from those stories and videos, you just simply you have to write it down in your notebook. Okay, and not only write, but see, you have to make the sentences with the help of those vocabularies that you learn. Okay, in those videos, and whatever vocabulary you learn, just write it down, make the sentence, and at least 4 line 5 line, 4 line 5 line, as many vocabularies as you can learn. So just write it down in your notebook. okay. And with the help of this thing, you can do both things. You can remember your vocabularies, as well as you can write. I mean, your writing task will be completed, and your vocabulary will be improved, and you will be able to recall it. You will be able to recall it again, okay. And don't watch the video of very high level people who are speaking English language in a professional way. Don't watch those type of videos. Just watch very simple videos in which people should speak in a very simple way, so that you could understand, okay. And if you don't have any channel, so I would suggest you to watch on this channel. The name is Welltalk Institute. Actually, I also used to watch a lot of videos on this channel, and at that time I wasn't able to understand all the things. But after some time, just keep listening, keep watching, I now I am able to understand. And as you can see, I'm speaking some of the things, and I'm just recording this video. So in this way, you can watch this type of video, and you can improve your English language, okay. And if I talk about those people who don't have enough time, so my friend, you are just like me. Because before some time, I also didn't have a lot of time to learn English language. So what I used to do, you know what, I used to read only a story. In that story, who used to tell the story, he used to tell all the things about grammar, and he used to tell all the pronunciation, what is this, what is that, all the things. And the you know story used to be very motivational. So I used to enjoy in those videos, in those stories, and I used to watch a lot of stories, okay. So in this way, I used to just watch. And you know what, where I used to watch, there was no any specific place. If at that time, I was working as a worker in a workshop. There was a car workshop, and I used to be a worker at there. Whenever I used to be free, I used to watch my phone, and I used to just learn English language. I used to watch these type of stories, and English related videos. I used to sit into the car, and I used to learn grammar, you know uh, to learn English language at that time. So this is how, I mean, in this way I used to learn English language. So my friend, problems are everywhere, okay. So you have to focus only two things if you don't have enough time, okay. And what is that? Listening and speaking, just it is, okay. And if I talk about listening, I mean, how you can listen. So my friend, there are a lot of you know as I just mentioned it earlier, that Welltalk Institute, if you are unable to understand, still you should listen. You will have to listen, okay. And you will not get bored there, because that place, that channel, those videos are full of entertainment, okay. So you are just going to enjoy, and many of you may be aware about that. So simply you can watch a lot of videos there, and you can learn a lot of things. And if I talk about speaking, so you know for speaking, you need to have any application, or you need to have a friend. Because if you don't have that kind of habit, speaking with yourself, I mean, as I am able to speak, see, I am able to speak with myself, there is no any problem. I mentioned it in many videos, okay. So if you have that kind of habit, that kind of ability, so you can speak with yourself, then there will be no need to have any person, okay. You can speak with yourself. Otherwise, you will have to install any type of app, or you need to have someone for practice of speaking English language. So in this way, you can improve your English language, okay. And don't spoil a lot of time. Just follow these type of method, and improve your English language, okay. I know you may be just scrolling a lot of videos on YouTube to learn English language, what is this, what is that. Don't spoil so much time, just learn systematically. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.